Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. As a junior engineer, when you go on shift for the first time, there are 2 or 3 things that you have to remember that you will be cleaning a lot of filters. Lot of filters. So guys, filter cleaning के 2 से 3 प्रोसेस होते हैं. मतलब filter processes. First is isolating the filter. Isolating filter means ensuring भैया that there is no oil flowing. Second is opening the filter carefully. Third is cleaning the filter. Fourth is boxing back the filter. And then fifth is reinstating the system, that is purging the filter, ensuring that now it is in ready condition. तो ये 4-5 चीजें हैं. Let us talk about that in detail. To every marine engineer out there, from junior engineer to chief engineer and electrical officer, we all know that earning respect on ship is very important. We all know fast promotions are very important, and we all know that इज्जत कमानी है, promotion चाहिए तो काम आना चाहिए, तो जूते पड़ते हैं, गालियां पड़ती हैं. And for that you need a good mentor. Sometimes we keep finding those mentors on board ship, पर अगर नहीं मिल रहे तो MND Flix है ना, Merchant Navy Decoded has launched a subscription model where you can find more than 30 plus courses with respect to your rank, helping you earn respect on ship. Please enroll on these free trial videos. Watch these videos as per rank and then decide whether you want to invest or not, with a very good flexible payment plan as well. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. First thing is, let us know, say there are, say, simplex filter, duplex filter. Duplex is 2 filters together. Otherwise there is 1 filter in line. Simplex filter is 1 filter in line and you have to clean it. So guys, सबसे पहली बात है, when you have to clean a particular filter, you have to isolate that system. You have to ensure भैया इस line के अंदर oil नहीं आ रहा and you are sure about it. So first thing is that you have to ensure is, say this is your filter, this is your pump, and it is going like this. There is a valve over here, there is a valve over here, and there is a vent over here with a cock, right? The first thing that you have to ensure is, can this pump run in auto? Auto means, is this pump which somebody will start, or is this pump which can start in automatic, like HFO transfer from normally on ships can start automatic. Automatic means level has come down, start, level has come up, stop. So in any case, first of all you have to isolate this pump. So when you go near this pump, you will see a green and a red button. So red button you can press like this and put it in lock condition. Now what I am talking about, I do not have a practical video. Maybe we'll have it someday from Shashank's end and we'll put it. But generally क्या होता है, एक ग्रीन बटन होता है, there is one green button for starting and there is one red button. We know green button press, start, green, red, stop. But around this red button there is a knob. मतलब there is a round thing like this over here. जैसे ये, this is your press button for red. Apart upon this there is a steel round thing. So if you press this steel round thing like this, मतलब rotate it clockwise, it will lock the red button in press condition. That means your red button will be in press condition. Nobody will be able to start the pump from anywhere. This is very, very important. Even before doing the filter, you have to ask that second engineer and inform everyone that you are cleaning the filter. कहीं ऐसा ना हो आपने stop नहीं दबाया, somebody has started the pump from up above. Jai Mata Di, gone. Or you have stopped the pump, you are cleaning the filter, nobody knows it and there is an emergency work going on and they need the pump immediately. What will you do? So proper communication is very important. Not just second engineer but third engineer, everybody working in engine room should know that you are working there over here. Copied guys? You should be carrying, there should be a separate tray that you have. कौन से स्पैनर चाहिए, all you need to have, and then you have to clean those filters. You will be spending a lot of time cleaning the filters. So isolation of the pump is very important. Second thing is the pump is isolated. Now first thing is that you have to see that bhai, so what you do is you shut this valve, then you shut this valve, done, and now you open the vent. When you open the vent, you see nothing is coming. Happy. Why? Because there is no pressure inside. That is why nothing is coming. The moment you open the filter slightly, hot oil comes and sprays on your wo. The line was pressurized. Buddy, you did not see the suction pressure over here. It was around 1.5 bars. Most important thing is this valve is not holding. You did not know that. Still pressurized was there. So in general condition, what you have to do is, you have a pressure gauge over here. You have a vent over here. Keep this line open. First of all, check. Open this valve slightly, the vent valve slightly, and see if the oil is coming. If the oil is coming, that means this line is clear, it is not choked. Then, and you see the suction pressure, say it is 1.5 bar, say it is showing 1.5 bar. because it is pressurized line. It is the oil is coming from the bunker tank, huge bunker tank. Okay, so head is there. Now you shut this valve. Now you shut this valve. Now when you open the vent, the oil will start coming, and suddenly you will see the pressure, suction pressure will start dropping 1.5, 1.2 till 0. This means that this is a depressurized line. Even if you do not have a pressure gauge, first first open the vent slightly and see whether the oil is coming. That means the line is clear. Then you shut the valves and then open it and see that there is no oil coming. That means it is not pressurized. Sometimes if you do not have a pressure gauge over there, but you have to ensure before opening these covers, that this line is depressurized. Do not take chances, especially if there is hot oil inside. There have been chances people have gone burnt because they did not take out this, and pressurized oil came and splashed on their faces, burnt. There have been cases where engine room has got flooded because people did not check and they opened the CHS filter. Jai Mata Di, kahani khatam ho gayi. Don't do that. Copied. Another thing is, see, in a simplex filter to aapne installation kar diya, and then what you do is you opened the cover, you took out the filter, you cleaned it, you put it back, you cleaned it properly, you put it back, then you put the cover and you opened the valve, slightly open, you opened slightly this valve, the oil start coming, but what the hell, the oil did not come from the vent, but it started coming from the overhead in lot quantity. Why? Because you forgot to put the O-ring over there, and O-ring was in damaged condition. It got, or you tightened the cover so much that the O-ring got damaged, or you tightened the cover so less that the oil started leaking. So this is all about experience, and it will take some time. But O-ring lagana, tight karna, how much tight, how much loose, it will come with experience, but this is what you have to know. Copied, guys? So aapne lagaya, then so now you put the filter, you have put the filter cover with the proper O-ring. After that you have shut this valve. Now this valve is shut, this valve is shut. You slightly open this valve. Deal? You see no oil is coming over here. Then you slightly open this vent and you see that air is coming. And after that oil starts coming from over here. This means now this line is filled with oil. And now if you keep open this valve and open this valve, and if the pump starts, it will automatically take suction. The line is filled with full oil. There is no air inside, and this is called purging. Removing of air from the line is called purging. So this is for a simplex system. In duplex system, where there are two filters fitted over here, now you have to see this indication. This indication means both are in use. This means oil is coming over here, going over here, this is in use. This means oil is coming over here, going over here, this is in use. Over here, this is in use. Over here, both are in use. So guys, generally I avoid telling people that if there is a duplex filter, put this in use and clean this one. Sometimes we do not know whether this valve is holding or not. Maybe little bit is oil is going over here also. Generally, I would prefer you to stop that system and then clean the filters and then put it back. But sometimes it is emergency. You have to put one filter in use. So in such case, be very careful. Say your generator is running, both the filters are in use, you find the pressure is dropping. Now you have to put one filter in use. The moment you change over, sudden pressure will drop. Fuel oil ka generator, fuel oil system, pressure will suddenly drop. Why? Not just one filter is in use. Maybe it might be choked too much. Now that you have put this one in use, now it has got a vent. Open the vent, check if pressurized or not. Not pressurized, open the cover, clean the filter, put it back, properly ensure the O-ring is put properly, then closes, then slightly crack open this valve, keeping the vent open, and ensure that the air starts coming, and then the first, okay, before even now, so just little bit going back. So now you have put back the cover, shut the vent. One vent is in shut condition. Now slightly open this in such a direction that even this is coming in use. That this little bit oil is coming over here, and now open the vent slightly. Now, so purging has to be done after the cover has been put, and before purging the valve is in shut condition. Now you open slightly, and then you will see slowly the oil starts coming. Why I am saying to put it in shut condition, the valve, and before you change over the switch, change over the lever. Why? Because sometimes if you are open, you might open it fully, and in that sometimes you do not have control, it is tight. Then in that case, if this valve is in open condition, there will be a huge splash happening in engine room and it will become dirty. It has happened me as well. So when you keep it in shut condition, change over slightly, you have the control how much valve to open to see, are bhai air aa rahi hai, now the oil is coming. Very, very important. Second thing is, in such a duplex condition, if you suddenly do that, due to this vent is open condition, pressure will drop further. So always have control on anything that is leaking outside. So always open it slowly and have the control with your hand. Cleaning of filter ke andar, it is always very important from where to blow the air. Generally people blow the air from both the sides, but it is always recommended, say this is your filter, the oil is coming from over here and going over here, that means all the dirt will come over here, right? So if you have to clear the filter, you put a cloth inside over here and blow the air from here, this side, so it will clean all the dirt and it will come on this cloth, that is my hand over here, and then you can clean it. And similarly you do all places. Suppose your filter is such that the oil is coming from outside and then going inside, so then in that case the dirt will come over here. So then in that case you have to blow air from outside and keep a cloth wrapped so that it does not spray the dirt sprays over here in engine room. So filter, sometimes I have also seen people making mistake is that, okay, I'll share with one example story of mine. So 2 filters were in use, I put 1 filter in use, so this filter was in use, I was talking to myself, angry with myself, and I had to clean this filter. I opened this filter, oil everywhere. So I am telling you all these things because of my mistakes. Don't make this mistake. When you are cleaning a filter, be very careful. I was just lucky enough to not get injured. Then other is, forgot to put o-ring, discussed. Put damaged o-ring, then it started leaking, discussed. Priming of filter, very, very important, discussed. Cleaning of filter, discussed. Thank you very much. This agenda is over. Next is, before opening the filter cover, I have already discussed this. Without closing the inlet, open the filter, low bhai. So the valve was not holding, or you did not just close the valve, just open the filter, it will be leaking outside. Smart people do not do that. Forgot to switch off the pump, directly open the cover. So if you see this red knob over here, this is this black outing, you see this over here. So if you do like this, it will get pressed inside in lock condition, in stop condition. So pump should not start in auto. Even put the breaker off so that nobody should be able to start the pump. So I hope this makes sense. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.